Hi everybody, welcome back to Be Creative Studio. Today I'm very excited to share with you how I make a serving tray from a Dollar Tree cookie pan. I also make a beautiful Mother's Day card using mostly Dollar Tree materials. These crafts are easy and super budget friendly, so let's get started. To make the serving tray, you'll need a Dollar Tree cookie pan. For decorative handles, I'm using some old spoons with nice detailing. I bend the spoons a little before applying chalk paint to them. While the spoons are drying, I work on the cookie pan. I spray painted 2 coats of white on it. Then I cut out a piece of buffalocheck fabric from the Dollar Tree to fit the center of the serving tray. I then decoupage the fabric to the tray by using the hard coat formula of Mod Podge for added durability. While waiting for the top coat of Mod Podge to dry, I sand off some chalk paint from the spoons to reveal the original detailing. I use E6000 to attach the decorative handles to my serving tray. To use up my stash, I embellish the borders of my serving tray with a cute heart ribbon and some paper flowers from Hobby Lobby. The second craft is this Mother's Day card using mostly Dollar Tree materials. First, I cut out a piece of the Jot poster board to use as my card. Then I use these beautiful gold rub-on transfer letters to spell out the words for Mom. Dollar Tree has been coming out with some impressive stickers lately. This truck bursting with flowers will work perfectly for my card. Then I use some washi stickers to embellish the top of the card. To add some visual interest to the bottom of the card, I'm painting some grass using some green, yellow, and white paint. After painting, I go over the letters with some Mod Podge to seal. I have some leftover butterfly stickers from the Dollar Tree that would be perfect for the card. For the inside of the card, I attach a pink doily from the Dollar Tree and rub on the words "Love You." Then I separate a pretty floral napkin to get the topmost layer. I cut the napkin to fit my card and decoupage it using Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree. Well, there you have it, 2 super cute DIY crafts for Mother's Day. I love how these 2 projects turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.